See, the instant airdrop is currently happening on Satoshi app. Many of you don't have Satoshi app, so I'm going to show you how you can download this Satoshi app. For those of you that have been mining with Satoshi app, make sure you stay on this channel because I'm going to give you updates on the what next to do on all those airdrop that we have mined on Satoshi app. This is the message that was released by Satoshi mining app on Twitter. So you can see new airdrop on Satoshi app, claim alert, EIN airdrop will be live in 1 day. So the airdrop have already started. So we started this airdrop on the 18th of April and it's going to end on the 17th of May. So we just have 30 days for this particular airdrop. So I am going to show you how you can download the app and how you can start mining this particular airdrop. So make sure you watch the video to the end. So when you go to your Play Store, you go to the search bar. So when you go to the search bar, you type in Satoshi app. So that's what you are going to type in, Satoshi mining app. Look at it here. So this is the app here. So you download it in your phone. For those of you that doesn't have it in your phone, download it. You can see I already have the app in my phone. So that is why I will click open and then I will show you how you can go about it. Remember that I always drop the link of every app on my video description. So go to my comment section, you will see the link of this app. Also go to the video description, you will see the link of this app so that you can start mining this particular airdrop. Remember that we just have 30 days for this particular airdrop. So click on open. When you click on open, you wait for the app to open. For those of you that are just joining, you need to do registration. After your registration, you will find yourself on this page. You can see get your EINSTEIN token now. You can see it here. So after some hour, you come here, you can see claim. You click on claim, you claim the coins that you have mined. So after that, the mining will start all over again. It's after 1 minute. You can see it here after an hour. So for those of you that have not started mining this airdrop, all you just have to do is to click on project. This is project. You click on project. So when you click on project, you go down, you look for other, you can see other airdrop that we have mined on this app so far. So you click on the first one, you can see the first one is the EINSTEIN tokens. You can see it here. So if your own is not like this, if it's not like this, you will see where it will say start or participate. You click on the start or participate and start mining this particular airdrop. So let's go back to airdrop. Now let's go to the wallet. I want to take you to the wallet so that you see how the wallet look like. Now this is the wallet. You can see there are other airdrop that we have mined so far. Many of them are still here. Some of them I have sent them, like this CTO. I have sent it to my wallet, so the coin is not listed yet. Heaven 1 is going to be listed on the 22nd of this month, which is April. So I am going to show you how you can claim your Heaven 1 in the next video I'm going to make. So you go to the you go down, you can see the downside, you can see EIN. You can see my balance is 9.8 token so far. So you make sure you claim your balance after 1 hour. You claim your balance. That is how you can claim this ENT. So when you click on the, for those of you that are new, so this is where you do deposit and withdrawal and transfer. So this withdrawal session is not open yet. You can see it's not open yet. So we are after the mining session, this withdrawal session will be open. So you can link your withdrawal wallet to this place so that you can see your coin in your wallet. So that EIN token mining on Satoshi app. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when next I post another video, you will get a notification.